Sport is an important part of any rural community. These ovals and these rec reserves are so important because I want my kids and I want other kids to have the same opportunities I had, and seeing community and being a part of community. And that's exciting to see that that's what we've been able to create here. Hi, I'm Becky McCann and this is Ari, my young son, who has just woken up, and we're from South Purrumbete. So South Purrumbete is a really strong dairy farming community. I grew up on a dairy farm about 10 minutes down the road. So this is the South Purrumbete Recreation Reserve, and it's come back to life after 24 years of not being used. And yeah, so we had sport back for the first time in November last year. When the rec reserve kind of declined and then stopped being used, it's a real honour to be able to celebrate our local community and the role that sport has played in that, in being able to rejuvenate the recreation reserve. It was a really emotional day, the first day back when we had sport. And I felt that personally as well, because I used to run around here as a kid, watching my dad and my family play here, and to see that the cricket teams come out and just seeing the grounds being used and people reminiscing and seeing, I think, a lot of potential going forward, that was really exciting. The Gardiner Foundation, with the grant that we got, it allowed us to put electrical infrastructure. But it's a very, very important part of the puzzle that's just taken the load off in going forward, and it made things easier in terms of us being able to value add, to be able to look for other funding, because we could say this part of the project had already been done, and that's been so helpful, and I'm incredibly grateful for that.